Welcome everyone. This is Ayan from Foodgenics. So today we have with us Ashmita Joshi. Has scored a rank of 749 in Excel this year's GATE. Congratulations first of all, Ashmita, for securing a great rank.
Thank you, sir.
Today we'll be talking with her and know how she has completed this journey and what are her future aspirations and all everything we are going to know. So welcome first of all, Ashmita.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Before starting, I would like to know something about you, like from where you have done your schooling and like from where you have done your bachelor's and like what are your interests and all. Like, can you share these things with us?
Yeah, so I'm from Uttarakhand and I've done my schooling from St. Teresa Senior Secondary School, Katgodam. Further which I've completed my graduation, BSc in Food Technology from GB Pant University of Agriculture and Technology, Pantnagar. And I have successfully completed the IRCA certified ISO 22000 lead auditor course. And apart from academics, I'm quite passionate about music.
Okay, that's great. Like, we have a talented person out here, and also like few of my teachers in my bachelor's during my bachelor's degree were also from your same university, like GB Pant University. So, great to hear that. So, I would like to know your first reaction, like how you felt after clearing gate.
So I was happy and I would say quite satisfied. Like I could have obviously performed a little better, and there's always a chance for improvement for everybody. But seeing the all the circumstances we all faced in 2020, I was quite satisfied with my results.
Yeah, and actually you have scored a really good rank, so that's really great. So like when was the first time like you have thought of preparing from GATE? When you have started your journey?
Actually, I've developed a deep interest in food science during my undergraduate degree. Further, which I decided to pursue a career in the same, and to gain more knowledge about the same. So yeah, during my undergraduate, I thought of appearing for a GATE examination.
Okay, and as you have been associated with us, so how you have heard about Food Jennings and from where? Like,
I got to know about Foodgenics from a group in Telegram. I saw the crash course program notice there.
okay, great. So, as you were in our crash course program, so just I want to ask you that, like, during your preparation, uh, which was the subject you were facing difficulty? Like, you were in Excel, so there are multiple subjects, right? From starting from chemistry, food technology, and optional subjects. So, just first tell us that which was your optional subject apart from food technology, and also like in which subject you faced the most difficulty and how you actually tackle that subject.
Okay, so my optional subject apart from food technology was zoology, and I faced challenges in preparing for chemistry and also the food engineering portion of the food technology part. But with the help of Foodgenics, I would like to say that things became quite easier, because whether it was the very well curated, mock tests and the comprehensive solutions we got for those questions, which helped me to just prepare wide range of topics in a very short time. So yeah, with the help of Foodgenics and its constant support, things became quite manageable.
Okay, sounds great. So, I want to ask you, like, as you have given many mock tests when you were in the crash course program, so how well those were designed and how effective those mock tests were when you actually appeared in the exam?
Yeah, those mock tests were very appropriate and accurate. It was just like the pattern we have in our gate examination. Like when I sat for the exam, it just felt like, another test I'm giving, because you guys gave us the link for the scientific calculator also. So we used to do the calculation through that and give the mock test. So everything was very well designed.
Okay, that's really great. So I want to ask you, like during you used to attend our webinars, and also how was your interaction with all the mentors from Foodgenics?
It was a very healthy and a positive interaction, I would say. Like whenever I had any doubt or query related to any topic or subject, the mentors were always there to clarify it, be it through phone calls or messages or during the action plan discussion. So yeah, and not just the course related part, but also you guys were so motivating and inspiring throughout the journey that yeah, I would say it ultimately helped me.
Good to listen such wise words from you, Asmita. So thanks a lot for that. And like one more thing I want to ask you, as like, can you please tell us like what was your schedule during the day, like what you generally used to do for the during the preparation period, especially in the last 1 or 2 months.
Yeah, so I would like to, in fact, tell that you know, uh, started preparing not very much early, but in December I was like at level one regarding my gate preparation when I got to know about food genics. So I just kept in mind that whatever time I'm able to, invest, I would use it well, and yeah.
Okay. So one more thing, like how you used to manage between the optional subject and food tech, as you are from food technology background. So the optional subject is like you do. I think you don't have those subjects in your bachelor's degree. So like how you used to manage both at the same time.
So I chose my optional very wisely, I would say. Like there's this preconceived notion that for food technology people, either microbiology or the biochemistry part is easier. But I went for zoology because I thought that I hold a strong command over that subject, and whatever part means the grasping the subject and its content would be easy for me, despite of all the other things. And yeah, so I just divided my time equally between food technology and the other options.
Okay, that's the key actually. Like all the future aspirants should also take some motivation out of it. Like uh, selecting your optional subject wisely is a key for getting good score in GATE. So, like, can you just tell me, as you have now cleared GATE with a very good rank, so what are your future plans? Like, what exactly you want to do in the future?
So I would like to pursue a career in food quality, or in a food industry, and
Okay.
before that I want to pursue a master's degree. And yeah, for now that's all I've planned.
Okay, at least it is clear in your mind that what you wants to do in your near future. So that's really great. As we know, like as I also prepared few years back for GATE. So like GATE during the preparation, people generally tend to lose their motivation and leave the preparation in between. So how you stayed motivated during all the long during this period and keep keep preparing for it constantly, like what was your motivation behind that?
So yeah, definitely it was a long process, and I would say a different one this year, seeing the pandemic condition. But there's this thing my mom used to tell me, कि कर्म करो फल की चिंता मत करो. So
Okay.
guess It's what I do, and it helped. And secondly, it's for me, it's always like quality over quantity. Like I just, I said that I use it well. And whatever motivation I got here at Foodgenics during the webinars, or the action plans, and I remember the Brahmastra webinar. It was so encouraging and so inspiring that you guys always kept in mind that the aspirants, they just keep high in their spirits.
Okay, yeah, and like well said. And actually, like result is a byproduct, Like you should enjoy the process. That's most important. So anyway, you will get a good result. So that's really great. So like if you want to give any message to the future aspirants, like what are the key things, or what are the things they should always keep in mind during the preparation? What is the most important? What are the most important factors? If you can, in short, if you can tell them like few things.
Okay, so first of all would be hard work. There's no replacement of hard work. And as I already said, that choose your optional wisely, because it holds a decent part of your gate examination. And whatever subject you think that you are confident about, go with that, and practice all the questions, previous year questions. And and lastly, I would say that just take care of your health. And by health, I don't just mean your physical health, but also your mental health. Like, I cannot emphasize more on the fact that how equally important our mental health is, and not just for any entrance exam, but for life in general. So yeah, and definitely I would suggest the upcoming aspirants to reach out to you guys here at Foodgenics for any kind of assistance for gate examination, because yeah, definitely you guys are just great, and they can also connect with me if I could be of any help.
Okay, so like it was great talking to you, Asmita. And once again, congratulations to you for achieving such feat. So best wishes for your future, and like always reach out to us in case of any issues or any kind of help. So thanks for joining today.